Depending on how many times a week you're willing to shop for food, you'll need to find your own tricks for choosing and storing your produce to maximize freshness and minimize waste in your kitchen. I shop for fresh veggies and fruits at least once during the week, and then I also try to go to our local farmers market on the weekends. I buy whatever's in season, and I use the veggies that get old quickly first. Things like lettuce and spinach are just tastier when they're fresh and crispy, whereas carrots and potatoes can last longer and still taste great. So I plan our meals based on what I need to use. I find that just wrapping my veggies in a paper towel before I put them in the vegetable drawer helps them to stay fresh longer. You can also get reusable vegetable bags or reuse the compostable bags you brought home from the grocery store. Some weeks I buy a whole chicken and roast it in a pot, and then I'll try to make that one chicken turn into 3 different meals. Roasted chicken for dinner one night, chicken sandwiches the next day, and then I use the remaining meat and make a nice chicken and vegetable soup. By the way, you can throw in whatever vegetables you still have left in your fridge from that first shopping trip. The late James Barber used to say, "Cooking is like making love. You do the best you can with what you've got." You'll find some of his videos in the extra resources section. James wasn't a trained chef, but he was an inspiration in the kitchen. Hopefully this course will inspire you to spend a bit more time in your kitchen, doing the best you can with what you've got.